Hi, friend. I have the opportunity to talk to you today about something called Symphony of the Cells. It's 18 easy and effective options to use your doTERRA oils to improve your health, and I'm going to give you all the details about it. So, if you don't know me, my name's Cassie. I'm a physician assistant and a doTERRA wellness advocate. I've been using oils since 2017. I'm also a wife and a mom of two girls. So, what is Symphony of the Cells? It's very basic. It's a simple massage technique to help bring harmony physically, emotionally, and spiritually within the body. And you do not need a professional massage training for this. Symphony of the Cells provides you with the chance to use oils in a new way and to feel more comfortable and confident with using your oils. It's a useful way to get to know which oils work best for different body systems. And like I said, it doesn't take any sort of massage certification. It's very easy to learn. There are different, training sessions by the people who created Symphony of the Cells, but it's a pretty easy thing to learn, either watching an online video or just talking to someone who knows how to do it. And even my kids know how to do this. So my kids are 10 and 5 currently. And if I, give them simple instructions on, what to put on and how to put it on and that sort of thing, they can do it too. So it's really simple. So the Symphony of the Cells protocol comes in a journal and a little booklet. I have both. I use them differently. The information is presented a little bit differently in each one of them. And so I like to have both on hand. So the way that the journal works is that you look up the body system related to your health concern. You learn which Symphony of the Cells applications are useful for that body system. And it also provides a list of commonly used oils and supplements for that body system. So, for example, if you didn't want to necessarily do a Symphony of the Cells application for whatever the health concern is, or maybe you just didn't know how to do it yet, it also provides oils that can be used for that health concern, either topically or aromatically, sometimes internally too. So it's a really great way for you to just expand your oil education. So how often and how much? Proactive approach to using Symphony of the Cells applications to maintain your health if you don't have any acute health issues is to perform an application 2 to 3 times a month. If you have an acute or a present condition, you perform the application that is useful for that condition 2 to 3 times a week for 1 to 2 weeks, and then you resume your 2 to 3 times a month. Just regular schedule. And then per application, it's recommended to use 4 to 6 drops of each essential oil listed in the application. You'll kind of see what that looks like here in just a minute, but it tells you which oils to use, where to put them on, that sort of thing. Now, if you have someone who's over 50, maybe has sensitive skin, or even a child, I would start with 1 to 2 drops per oil. And that's what I do with my kids. I just use a little bit. So when you look at your Symphony of the Cells journal or a booklet, they have these little symbols to tell you where to apply the oils. And starting from the very top and working our way clockwise, you have over the heart, over the liver, over the neck and shoulders, on the hands. The nose means that you allow the person to inhale the oils. So for example, with this one, I usually apply the oils to the person's back or shoulders, for example, and then, cut my hand over their nose and mouth so that they could inhale the oils. Then the little drop means that you're going to apply a carrier oil, usually fractionated coconut oil. And then the picture of the spine means that you apply the oils to the spine. And of course, the feet mean that you apply that oil to the bottoms of the feet too. So here's an example. This is the basic application. This one is great for anybody. It's great to do on kids, especially. This is the shortest one. It has the least amount of oils. So it's great for people who have sensitive skin, so you're not using so many oils, or even great for kids because their attention spans are a little bit shorter than everybody else's. So if you could do a little short one, get a couple of oils on them, you're still going to get some great benefit out of it. So just so you know what this looks like. So step one means that you're going to apply frankincense to the neck and shoulders, and then allow the person to inhale it and then apply it to their feet. And then for steps 2, 3, and 4, you're going to apply the oil along the spine and then on the bottoms of the feet. And then you're done. So here are some examples of the Symphony of the Cells applications. There are 18 different ones. There is some overlap between a few of them. So for example, if you're having a respiratory issue, just depending on what it is, you could use the respiratory protocol or even the ID or infectious disease protocol too, just depending on what's going on. And like I said, the journal kind of explains which health conditions each application is good for. And you can mix and match these two. Now, there's something called 4 Weeks to Wellness that's outlined in the journal as well. It's a program designed to be an easy to follow way to manage unwanted internal waste and toxic load. And this gives you a schedule, and by pairing 10 key Symphony of the Cells applications with quality supplements, essential oils, and a healthy diet, you can minimize harmful toxic waste and support the body's natural cleaning process. So this is a program that you would want to maybe pair with the 30-day doTERRA cleanse with the Cleanse and Restore kit, so that you're using your oils topically in addition to using some of the other supplements and eating clean to help eliminate the toxins as much as possible. It's really simple. Like I said, it outlines it. I don't have a picture of it, but it outlines it in the Symphony of the Cells journal. And it's a really easy and simple way to use your oils and do a nice toxic-free cleanse for your body. So that sums it up. I really appreciate you joining me today. And as always, you can also find me at my website at CassieStafford.com and on Facebook and Instagram at Cassie Moore Stafford. Have a good one.